Okay, just imagine this for a second. You take all your research, I'm talking PDFs, articles, even YouTube videos, and poof, it turns into a full-blown presentation in seconds. That's not science fiction. That's the massive leap we're seeing in the AI tool NotebookLM. Looking ahead to what's possible in 2026, we're talking about a tool that's evolving from just a note-taker into a full-on visual storyteller.
Seriously, think about it. How many hours of your life have you sunk into building slides? You know the drill. Copying key points, hunting for the right visuals. It's a grind. Well, what if all that could just disappear? We're diving into a technology that makes this whole process almost instant. It's set to completely change how we turn what we know into something we can share.
So what's the magic behind all this? Well, the engine powering this thing has a name you are definitely not going to forget. Nano Banana Pro. And yes, that's its real name, I'm not kidding. It's a super specialized AI model built to do one thing and do it incredibly well. Understand all your stuff and then visualize it in a way that actually makes sense.
And this slide just lays it out perfectly, right? The old NotebookLM, well, it was a great research assistant. It would summarize your sources for you, but the new NotebookLM, it's a presentation designer. It doesn't just tell you what your research says, it actually shows you. That's the huge difference. All right, so how does this thing actually work? Is it complicated? Not at all. It's actually shockingly simple. Let's walk through the 3 basic steps to get your very first deck up and running.
Okay, step 1, you just add your sources to a notebook. And I mean anything, PDFs, Google Docs, website links, you can even throw YouTube videos in there. NotebookLM just eats it all up and understands it. Step 2, you pop open this little studio panel on the side. And finally, step 3, you just click Slide Deck. And bam, that's it. You get an instant result. But you know, the real power, the cool part, is when you start to customize.
And yeah, this is exactly where it goes from being a cool party trick to a genuinely powerful creative tool. See, you're not just stuck with whatever it spits out first. You can actually step in and direct the AI to build something that perfectly fits what you need, your style. You get a ton of control over the really important stuff. You can, change the language, obviously. You can tweak the length, make it a short summary, a default version, or a really long deep dive. You can choose the type of deck, and this is the most impressive part. You can define the entire visual theme just by typing what you want. And I mean, you can get super specific with it. This isn't about picking from a few boring templates. You can literally just describe a visual style in plain English. Like, you could say, use a deep green blackboard design with handwritten chalk text, and the AI will actually generate slides that look exactly like that. I mean, come on, that is a wild level of creative control. Now, this is really smart. The AI actually gets the difference between a document that someone's going to read and a presentation that someone's going to watch live. So it can create a detailed deck that's text-heavy, perfect for sharing as a report, or it can whip up presenter slides, clean, big visuals, minimal text, perfect for supporting you while you're speaking. That shows a pretty sophisticated understanding of context, right? But wait, there's more. The capabilities here don't just stop at making standard presentations. This tech opens up some seriously advanced workflows for researchers, analysts, creators, pretty much anyone. Okay, this is the real power move right here. You can start by using NotebookLM's deep research feature to ask it really complex questions across all your documents. You let the AI find hidden connections and patterns you might have missed. Then, you can ask it to turn those specific insights into a brand new slide deck. It's this seamless pipeline, taking you from raw data to a finished visual story. And you're not just locked into traditional slides either. That same Nano Banana Pro engine can generate all sorts of other visual formats. You could ask it for an infographic, like a mind map or a flowchart. Or you could even have it turn a super long article into a visual storybook. It's like having a multi-talented design engine at your fingertips. And get this, when your presentation is ready to go, you don't even have to leave the app. There's a built-in slideshow mode. You just click and you can present directly from there. It takes you all the way from research to delivery, all in one place. Okay, but of course, with any brand new technology, there are always some practical details, some limitations we need to talk about. So let's get into what you really need to know before you jump in. All right, here's probably the most important thing to know about exporting your slides. They're generated as high-resolution images, up to 4K, which is great, and they get packaged into a PDF. Now, what that means is the text on the slides isn't, natively editable like it would be in PowerPoint or Google Slides. That's a big one. But the community has already figured out some really clever workarounds. For instance, you can use tools like Canva's Grab Text feature, or you could convert the PDF to a PowerPoint using Adobe Acrobat. Or, and this is pretty cool, you can upload the PDF to Gemini Canvas and have it regenerate the whole thing as fully editable Google Slides. So yeah, it's an extra step, but it makes the whole thing totally workable.
So what about access? How much does this cost? Well, the good news is free users can generate slide decks. You can try this out, but for those of you who need more horsepower, the AI Ultra or Workspace Pro plans will let you create longer decks, give you higher usage limits, and basically 5 times more generations to play with.
And finally, just a couple of really important warnings. Just like any AI, the output can sometimes have factual slip-ups or weird visual errors, so you always have to review your slides before you present. It's not magic, you still gotta check its work. Also, this feature is limited to users who are 18 and older.
So when you put it all together, NotebookLM has really truly transformed. It's not just a research assistant anymore. It's now a visual storyteller, a presentation designer, and a data visualization engine, all rolled into one.
And that leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to chew on, doesn't it? When the AI can find the story in our data and then present it visually for us, what's our new role? What's the new job of the human storyteller? What becomes our most important contribution? It's definitely something to think about as this kind of tech just keeps getting better and better.